Hello, Terry here with Good Ingestions, on a mission to get the word out that eating nutrient-dense food can help you live longer and healthier into those later years. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I currently hold a certificate in nutritarian studies. My hope is that after watching some of these videos, you'll be able to say, I can do that. Today, I'm going to share with you my transition tip number 2. In case you missed the video for transition tip number 1, I'll put it in the description box below. So without further ado, here it is, transition tip number 2. Replace. A lot of times when we think about changing our eating habits to become healthier, we often think about eliminating foods or giving up things that we're used to eating. But the great thing about the nutritarian lifestyle is that you get to add foods that are full of nutrients, phytochemicals, fiber, antioxidants, the things that make you feel amazing and get you healthier along the way. Dr. Joel Fuhrman, who wrote the book Eat to Live, which is the basis for this lifestyle, recommends going 100% from the beginning. For me, it happened rather gradually. My kitchen looks drastically different than it did 5 years ago, 4 years, 3, 2, or even 1 year ago. As I found better things to replace some of the things that weren't so healthy that I was eating, they became staples in my refrigerator or my kitchen pantry. Believe me, I'm still finding replacements where I find I can do better. Rather than listing all of those replacements, I thought I'd show you some of the things I ate this week and then point them out as we go along. Toast and coffee used to be white bread toast with butter and jelly and decaffeinated coffee with skim milk. The replacements I use today are Ezekiel sprouted grain toast with raw almond butter and Swiss water processed decaf coffee with homemade almond milk. If I ever ate oatmeal, it was usually processed, instant out of a little package with lots of sugar and milk. Now it's old-fashioned or steel-cut oats with berries, nuts, and seeds. My old bowl of Raisin Bran and skim milk is replaced with homemade nutritarian granola, berries, and homemade almond milk. Smoothies used to be a lot of sweet fruits like bananas, with yogurt and orange juice to make it delicious. That was replaced with lots of greens, seeds, almond milk, and the 5 best fruits that Dr. Fuhrman recommends eating. On a day that I might have had pancakes or soft-boiled egg and toast, I have chia seed pudding with blueberries, vanilla, and bananas, or a berry bowl with nuts and seeds. I'll put a link below to the video showing how to make this one. My old standby Lipton decaffeinated tea with 1.5 teaspoons of sugar is now matcha green tea full of antioxidants. I order mine from Sherry at thewateringmouth.com. Here is also some matcha green tea that my daughter brought me back from her visit to Japan. Awesome souvenir, right? And Orange Julius with orange juice, milk, and tons of powdered sugar is now whole oranges, almond milk, dates, and vanilla. My salads that were drenched in oily dressings may have had chicken or bacon or hard-boiled eggs even, are now full of greens, beans, raw onions, sautéed mushrooms, and nuts or seeds. This Mexican salad is minus the chicken, chips, and cheese. Add avocado, salsa, and lime, please. A bowl of soup may have been out of a can, or even if it was homemade, would have been loaded with sodium and likely had a chicken or beef base to start. Now my soups are loaded with beans and lots of G-bombs, and sautéed mushrooms are the base. The chili I grew up on had ground beef and tablespoons of sugar. The vegetarian chilies I make now are super delicious, but I may try to figure out how to nutritarianize the old family recipe. Steamed vegetables used to be flavored with salt. Now I really enjoy them just straight up, or with a little garlic or fresh lemon juice. Cakes, pies, and ice creams are replaced with fruit-based desserts, like these fresh raspberries with vanilla almond cream. Sugar-laden sorbet ingredients are replaced with dates and frozen sweet cherries. Ice cream and sugar-filled shakes are now fresh fruit, almond milk, dates, and hemp seeds. Dairy-based yogurts are now almond milk, chia seeds, and mixed berries. Needless to say, all of these nutrient-dense foods have me feeling amazing. So my question to you is, what kind of replacements have you found along your health journey? I'd really be interested in hearing what some of your substitutions are. please list them in the comment section below. That way you can also help other viewers who are looking for good recommendations to fit into their lifestyle. If you're interested in any of the recipes for the food that you've seen today, again, just let me know in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.